Righto guys, welcome back to another ep. This week, as the title says, I'm done with it. Why am I done with it? I'm done with these bloody windows in this caravan. It's just getting beyond the joke. Warranty, I've had enough with them. It's been nearly 5 months now for the first set of windows and I still haven't had them. So I haven't been able to install them. So I'm done with them and I'm going to move on. I'm still going to try and claim something out of them, but I'm going to move on and install my own windows, which are not Chinese rubbish. I'm going to get windows from Aussie Traveller, which are in Australia, based out of Brisbane and Melbourne. So this first set of windows from Snowy River, and it's not just these vans, it's a lot of vans across the manufacturing of Australia. Probably a dozen or more manufacturers are having the same problems with these windows delaminating and coming apart. So I've decided I've had enough and I've got new windows from Aussie Traveller which fit straight into these vans. Now these aren't cheap. It's probably going to cost me in excess of $3 just to get all the windows and frames supplied, and then I have to fit them. But they are a lot better quality and they are flush windows, they don't bubble out like the cheap Chinese rubbish, and they are tinted, which is another bonus, a lot more stronger. So these windows, believe it or not, I ordered them and I had them arrived to Western Australia. So we're parked up for a little while, we do a few of our repairs to the van to get this stuff sorted out and we'll get back on the road. So I ordered these, it's been 6 days. So from the time I sent an order in the through email to the time I got these delivered through courier was 5 to 6 days from Melbourne. And for warranty to supply the windows, it's been 5 months and I still haven't got anything. So there you go. Caravan warranty can be an absolute nightmare and absolute rubbish. So I've gone out of my way and I'm going to get these things myself, and I'm going to try and claim installation back through warranty. So at least I get some of my money back, because you just can't win, and you can't deal with this 7-year-old full time to get these repairs done. So what have I done? So let's show you, if you guys haven't seen my previous videos and what's gone wrong. I'll go outside quickly before you get carried away and show you what I've got to what has happened and what has gone wrong with these windows, and we'll come back inside. I'll show you what I've bought and what we're going to fit. Righto guys, so we'll just come outside. So I'll show you these windows, and this is all 5 windows in the whole van. The same as done to the whole lot of them. So you can see here that I've had to take the windows up, and I've actually pot riveted them as well, because after a while, after 5 months, this tape goes hard and it goes horrible and yucky and looks disgusting on the windows. So I've pot riveted them just to keep us moving on the road. This is where it pulls apart. It's a 2-piece window and they split in between here and they pull apart, and this just flaps up in the wind. And it's just rubbish, absolute rubbish. And then you've got a hinge up here, and these hinges, well, they come in, these hinges all bend as well. So warranty only want to supply me with the blade and not the whole frame. So you'll get this and probably find it's bent up there and it's still not going to work. So I've gone and bought the whole lot myself. So it's all these windows, even the large one. I've taped it up, and the other side as well. And you can see it's just not good. It's horrible. So let's go back inside and have a look to what we're going to do. Right, the van's an absolute mess guys. I've got tools, I've got crap everywhere. So what we've done is I'll just show you the old windows that are in there now. So these are the original frame and windows that are in now. I've just taken the frame off, which is your blind and everything there now, and that just clamps over the top here. And you see all they do is put 4 screws in it and get dolt straight into your bodywork of the van, which is, yeah, I don't know, not real flash. And the windows themselves, when the outer frame comes on, which is this one over here, so that there is the outer frame, and that outer frame there, that will just go straight over and that just goes on the edge and then clamps over the top to hold the whole window in place. But this is also elastic in as well, up around the side. And all they've got on these is shitty little screws. So these tiny screws that I've got here, which is them, it's all they use to screw the frame to the outer frame to hold onto the window, and it actually screws into itself. Now, the beauty about these Aussie Traveller ones, they're pretty much identical, a lot better built. I'm pretty sure these are made in Australia. Now, the frame itself, you can just see the difference. So, you see here, when the outer frame comes in, they've got nut sets in here. So, they've got nylon locks, nuts behind it. So when the frame goes on top, it'll actually go into a nylon nut, which is a lot better, a lot more secure, and just, it's just neater. It's not rubbish. And the frames themselves, that's just plastic on the frame, that'll come off, that's just stop scratching. So nice and flush, there's no bubbling on the outside anymore with the windows. It's a nice flush window all the way on the outside, and they're tinted. So the van will all have now have tinted windows instead of this rubbish bubbly clear stuff. So that's the go. So what we're going to do is I'm going to get all these removed. It's going to be a bit of a pain because all these up here, they've whacked a heap of elastic and it's very flush on the outside, so it's a bit of intricate work on the outside with a long knife to try and get all these out without damaging the outside of the bodywork. So I've got my Caravan mechanic who's going to come and give me a hand, and we're going to get these out and hopefully get the new ones straight in. And then when we get them in, I'm going to give you a look what they look like in, because I haven't seen any of these vans on the road at all out there with these tinted flush windows. So yeah, I could be one of the first Snowy Rivers with brand new windows in it, especially this SRT range that have got the tinted flush windows on them. So if you guys have got one of these and having problems, you could wait till mine's finished. It'll look like it. It might be an option to for you guys to change the windows out. And that could be on many vans out there which are having the same issues. And I know it's a common thing. They've been replacing these warranty factory ones, and 2 weeks later they've been delaminating and coming apart again. So it's just not worth it, and you've got to wait 6 months of parts, which is absolute yeah, absolute bullshit, I'm afraid. That's just it. So yeah, Aussie Traveller. So that's them there, guys. Aussie Traveller. I mean, these guys do parts for your doors, your door handles, everything as well, which are pretty much generic on most of these vans, and they're really easy to get hold of. They do stock them in caravan places over here, all around the country. But you just go online and get any parts you need within a week or so, if they're not too busy. But I was really surprised these windows, 5 days. I think the first order was 2 windows and the second order was 3. 5 or 6 days in total, I think it was. And they're good quality. Yes, they are a little bit expensive. I think 700 for the 2 big ones. The toilet one was about 400, and maybe I think it was 400 or 500 for the kitchen and the lounge window. But I'm hoping these are going to be good quality. I'm not going to have any more problems. And if I do need parts, I know I can get them here in Australia, and I can get them within a week's time, and I'm not going through warranty waiting for Chinese rubbish to come to me and take 6 months through warranty. So yes, I'm done with it. I'm done with warranty, actually. Caravan warranty, it's across the board. It's every van out there, and it should be regulated. It's a nightmare. I feel sorry for people who are on the road travelling full time. They haven't got the money themselves to fix the van and get reimbursed. And what do? You've got to wait for parts, and you've got to finish your trip. It's wrong. It's absolutely wrong. So anyway, we'll take our whinge on that one later on in a different video. But I'll get these things fitted, guys. And once it's all in, I'm hoping it's going to look bloody good. And then I can show you these Aussie Traveller tinted windows, and we'll see what they look like and how good it looks on the van. So in the meantime, if you've got any questions about these windows, or you're having problems with windows yourself and you're not getting any luck or getting any warranty, flick us an email or grab us a chat online, and I'll see if I can help you out with this Aussie Traveller windows, because yeah, they can save you a lot of heartache waiting for warranty. And most of the time, if you buy stuff, you can claim it back through warranty. So, because they just don't want to deal with your emails and heartache. So hopefully we can get our money back on these. Not all of it, probably just a fitting. But if you need any help with these guys, hit us up, and I'll see if I can help you out. But in the meantime, I'll get these fitted and clean up this mess of a van, and hopefully the next one I can see what they look like. All right, guys, cheers for watching. I'll see you next one.